As soon as this market opened, we got our fair value gap. Remember, we're looking for at least a 5-minute fair value gap after market open inside of our direction. Look what happens. We got one push. We got another push. And I believe the market closes right here. I believe this candle closes right here. Let's see. Boom. Candle closes, right? So as soon as this happened, I'm already looking for buys. First thing I was looking for, and let me delete this right here so you guys can see this a little bit clearly. Here's our gap. Here's the 9:30 open right here. Here's the next candle, and here's the next candle, and here's our next candle right here. So we're about 15 minutes into our trading session, right? We have a 5-minute fair value gap right here, which is what I want to see. So we have a 5-minute fair value gap / imbalance / inefficiency. Next thing I was looking for here is for this market to come down and reject off of the fair value gap. Now, what I was seeing here was the market did not want to come down into this fair value gap. Let me show you guys this, right? I'm gonna play this a little bit more. You can see we kind of wigged down, and I believe the market, yep, we wigged down here and the market just closed, right? This candle closed and I seen another bullish candle. So I took an aggressive entry at this high right here. So I was willing to take a trade right here covering the fair value gap. The reason why is because if this market would to invalidate this fair value gap, I know that we were coming for these lows and I would have been okay with that loss. This was a loss that I already told myself that, okay, if the market comes down here and invalidates this fair value gap, we're gonna lose this trade, right? And I was okay with that because I know there's liquidity down here that the market wanted to come to, but my directional bias was just so strong on this that the market was gonna go higher and that we were gonna target this 4-hour imbalance. I was okay with placing this aggressive trade, okay? We had our entry right there and we're gonna target a 1 to 2. You guys can see how the market is just taking off and never came back for our 5-minute gap. All right, so seeing that the market created this gap, I was able to place my stop loss underneath that gap just in case we wanted to come back and fill that. And if we invalidated that, I knew we were going to go for this liquidity. But the market was just so bullish. The market was just so much ready to go towards the upside. We never even thought about coming down for this liquidity or filling this gap. So if I was sitting here worried about the market coming down for this gap, I would have missed this easy bullish trade towards the upside.